No, because why did no one tell me you could get a portable washer and dryer? I've been doing laundry at the laundromat for the past 3 months and I hate it. Our nearest laundromat is 15 minutes away, so it's super annoying when I have to do laundry because who wants a chore like that? I was not expecting much when I got this because how powerful could this actually be? But then I did my dog's toys yesterday and there is not a speck of dirt on this. Only takes 15 minutes to do your laundry in here, and when it's done, your clothes smells so good. Once it's done washing, you're just gonna switch it over to the drying side, but look at that water. It just finished drying and look how good this does. Remember how everything was like literally soaking wet? I'm impressed. You can get this on TikTok Shop and everyone has different coupons, so this could be really cheap for you.